Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a Vimeo video into your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use a Vimeo video in your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, with EverWebinar, you can use one of your Vimeo videos and add it right into the webinar as the source of video. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to use a Vimeo video in your EverWebinar, here on the left side, be sure to click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. You can see I have these two going on, and choose the webinar. So for example, this one, and then click on edit. Now, if you're just setting up your webinar for the first time, you can click right here on add webinar. For this video, I'm going to click on edit. Okay, once you click there, no matter whether you're setting up a new webinar or you're just editing a webinar, you're going to see these blue dots here at the top. And in order to use a Vimeo video, you're going to click on configuration. Looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and you want to look for this source video. Click on the pencil icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. Make sure you click on external video file. Once you do that, you're going to see this little box down here. It's going to be blank. And then this is where you can go ahead and paste in your Vimeo link. Now, one thing I want to let you know is if you're going to use a Vimeo link, make sure that it's either a public or an unlisted video. Otherwise, it's not going to work if it's a private video. So you're just going to paste in the Vimeo link right there. Next, you want to go ahead and disclose the duration of the video. This is going to be really important once you're setting up your sales offer or your call to action. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the blue save button. Okay. And then after that, your Vimeo video will be the source of video for this webinar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use a Vimeo video for an EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.